This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start immediately by prepping the tool and your hair. You should have mostly dry hair, a heat protectant, and clean brushes. You section hair into 3-4 horizontal panels so you can work in order. Start at the nape. Next, set the sleep styler to low or medium heat. This prevents damage yet warms the fibers. Place one thin 1/2-inch subsection into the styler, clamp gently, then guide it through slowly. Once done, move to the next subsection and keep a steady rhythm. Now you continue through each section with consistent technique. You want to feed small 1/2-inch subsections into the styler, keeping tension but not pulling. That minimizes frizz and produces uniform shape. Rotate the styler away from your face for consistent curl direction, and vary rotation direction on lower layers for natural volume. Keep each subsection in contact for about 20-30 seconds on medium heat, longer for stubborn waves, shorter for fine hair. Once a panel is finished by letting all curls cool completely. Cooling locks the shape, so resist tugging. You then loosen each curl with your fingers or a wide-tooth comb for the desired look, and smooth a light finishing serum on mid-lengths and ends to tame frizz. Apply a soft hairspray if you need hold. If any curl drops or looks flat, do not run the styler over the whole head. Reheat only the affected subsection for 10-15 seconds and reset. That troubleshooting tip saves time and protects hair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.